Welcome to the Doerr Library. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the Doerr Library's online catalog. The Doerr Library owns over 16,000 items that are available for checkout, including print books, eBooks, audiobooks, DVDs, calculators, voice recorders, cameras, and much more. To search and locate an item owned by the Doerr Library, you need to start with the library's online catalog, also known as Destiny. To get to the library's webpage, start at the MUHS website. Click on the down arrow next to the Quick Links link and click on Library. Destiny is both a link and a searchable widget available from the Doerr Library's webpage. From the library webpage, scroll down just a bit and locate the heading Books and Audiovisuals. This search box provides a quick and easy search of the library's Destiny catalog and the holdings of the Doerr Library. You can also begin a search by clicking on the library catalog link located on the navigation links along the side of the page. Begin a search by typing a word or words that best describe what you are looking for into the Destiny widget search box. For example, let's type in the keyword viruses. By clicking on the Enter key or the magnifying glass, we can execute this search across all of the library's holdings and determine what we own and where it is located. It looks like the library owns 26 items that include the word viruses somewhere within the cataloging record. These items will take different shapes and forms. Some will be books, while others might be DVDs. Let's click on the first item and open up the full record. Notice that this preview screen contains some useful information, including a description of the item, its call number, and whether the item is in or out. There is also a link to view more details about this item. Let's learn more about this book by clicking on the View More Details link. When we click on View More Details, the full record for this item displays and reveals more information about the book. Scrolling down the page just a bit reveals some links to some helpful information. Click on the Explore link to look at the keywords, subjects, or tags a librarian uses to describe this particular item. In this case, the subject headings associated with this book include viruses and virology. By clicking on either subject, you will be led to all of the other books that use that same subject heading. Click on Copies link to view an item's full call number and to see if the library owns more than one copy of the item. Click on the Citation link to learn how to format a citation for this item in the MLA, APA, or Chicago styles. Simply cut and paste the citation into your Works Cited page. Up to this point, we have seen most of the basic features of the Doerr Library's online catalog. However, Destiny is capable of providing some nice value-added services and some pretty sophisticated searching. Let's explore some of these value-added services. Click on the spyglass located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen to begin a new search. Let's type in "of mice and men." Wow, our search returned 15 items. One nice feature of Destiny is that it allows you to place a hold on an item. Let's say you're reading Of Mice and Men for your English class. You want to know if the library owns a copy. In addition, you would like a copy of the book set aside for you so you can stop by later and check it out. That's the hold process. Let's look through these records and find the item that best matches what we're looking for. We will click on that title and view the More Details to open up the record and reveal all of those nice value-added functions. Notice that Login button. In order to place a hold on an item, we need to log in to Destiny. Let's click on Login. You are now looking at the login screen. Use your MUHS username and your MUHS password and click on Submit. Once logged in, you will be brought back to the record. Notice that the Login button has been replaced with a Hold button. Simply click on the Hold button to create the hold. The library staff will be notified of your request and they will put the book aside for you at the library's information desk. Let's click on the spyglass icon located at the top of the screen and do another search. This time, let's explore how to limit our search to a particular field or a specific format. Notice the down arrow located next to the search box. This down arrow provides you with all kinds of ways to limit. The two most important limiters are by type or format. Limiting by type means limiting where your words will be searched to a specific field, like keyword, which is anywhere, title, author, subject, or ISBN. Limiting by format means limiting to a specific item type, like video, equipment, or eBook. Both can be very helpful at getting at exactly what you want quickly. Let's use the pull-down menu available through Format and select the eBook format. After we select eBook, we must click on Set Options to continue. Let's search for an ebook on Rome by typing the word Rome and clicking on the Enter key. Notice that all the records displayed are for ebooks. Click on the record for Myths of Greece and Rome. Click on View More Details. Go ahead and log in. Remember that most of the value-added services require you to log in because the service is connected to your account information. With eBooks, you have a couple of options. You can check out the item. When you do this, the book is yours and yours alone for 7 days. After day 7, the book is removed from your record and available for someone else to check out. The other option is to simply open the book and read it online. By choosing this option, you can view the book and search for information. The book will remain available for others to use. Let's open the book. By opening the book, I can read the book and search the content of the book for more specific information. Destiny is an easy-to-use and sophisticated database that allows you to locate materials owned by the Doerr Library. If you're willing to log in using your MUHS username and MUHS password, you can place holds on items and access and read hundreds of ebooks available on the Follett shelf. I hope you are starting to feel more confident about using Destiny to find items owned by the library. Never hesitate to ask the library staff for help. Now it's your turn to explore and master the Destiny database. Please go back to the email that contained this video and complete Assessment 2.